This is part 3 in a series of tutorials for English 23-21 covering an example search in Essay and General Literature Index. To get to Essay and General Literature Index, go to the library's website and click on Articles, Research, and More. From the drop-down box, locate the name of the index or database. And then, if you're off campus, you'll be asked to log in with your student username and password. At the database screen, first I'd like to explain to you what Essay and General Literature Index really does. This is not a full-text database, meaning that you don't get the full-text article from the search. This index searches the parts of books or essays printed in other sources so that you are able to look inside of a larger work. So if you want to type in the work that you're analyzing or the author, you'll be able to find what's inside of a multitude of books. And then you won't get the full text from the search. You would then have to find the book either in our ebook databases in our online catalog. I'll point out a link in the search results that allows you to find out if we have it listed in our online catalog, but please refer to the other tutorial on searching for books if you want to go further to search in the ebook databases for any book that you might find listed in this Essay and General Literature Index. I'm going to do a search for any criticism essays on Alexander Pope. So I type in the author name, last name first, followed by a comma, and then the first name. And next to the box where I typed, there is a drop-down that is labeled All Smart Search. Click on that and change it to Subject. You would not choose Author because you're not looking for things that Alexander Pope has written. I'm looking for things that have him listed as a subject of the work, article or essay. Now, if you need to find articles that were only published after a certain period of time, you can do that in this Limit Dates To section. But I'm just going to leave my search as it is and click Start. And I got 125 results as shown up here at the top of the search results screen. And then I can click on the book title to find out more about the description. It will tell me the title of the essay or chapter, the author of that essay or chapter, and then its original publication source. This one was published in a book entitled English Versions of Roman Satire in the Earlier 18th Century. And I can see the author that I typed is in the subjects. These subjects are just assigned to this book essay to describe what it is about. Now I can click on the Library Owns link, and then right now it's taking me to another screen where there's two different versions of the standard number for the book, which is called the ISBN, and I can click on either because the library catalog should use either of the two. And then it'll go to the library catalog. This one happened to be in our library, so I'm in luck, and I can find out where to get it from the shelves using the call number. This particular book was just received and is still in the process of being cataloged, so it's not on the shelves yet, but if you were to find a book like this, you could ask the library to process it faster so that you can check it out. Now, if you are located at a distance from Waco, we do have the document delivery service available so that you could have the book mailed to you, or you could try to find a similar book at a library near you. So this is an example of going from Essay and General Literature Index to finding the book in the online catalog. If you wanted to search for a specific criticism on a single work by an author, you can do that in this database as well. from the advanced search screen. So I could put in the author, which may not always be necessary if the work is very well known, and then the work, the title of the work. And I would also choose subject for the piece of literature that I'm looking for as well. So here I did Canterbury Tales. I got 117 records with my search. And again, I could then find out if we have it in our library, either in the hard copy books listed in the catalog or the electronic books listed in the catalog. This is the end of this tutorial covering Essay and General Literature Index. Please visit the next tutorial, which will cover searching for full-text journal articles in one or more databases from the library. And also be sure to look at the tutorial that comes later on looking for books in the catalog or in our ebook databases, so that you could figure out if a work that you find in Essay and General Literature Index may be represented in the catalog or in an ebook database.